Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop: how to create financial growth infographic using custom shapes. First, we create a new canvas and set a clean, business-safe background. Now we open the custom shape tool and load financial icon shapes. Next, we place a growth arrow shape in the center for visual direction. After that, we duplicate circular shape to represent revenue stages. Now we align all shape properly using smart guides. Then we apply a solid corporate color plate to maintain trust. After this, we add subtle stroke effects to separate each stage. Now we clip gradient layers